everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So in this video, we are going to solve these kinds of questions. Basically, fill in the blanks. Here it is given, complete the summary. Choose one word only from the passage for each answer. Means one word answer will come. So if you write these two words, then means these are two words. It will not consider to be one word. One word means only one word. This two will not come. Okay, so in this video I'm going to solve this exercise. Along with that, one more exercise is also there, this one. Second, we will be doing this one, but first I will be solving this. Complete the summary below. So we have read the instructions, but somewhere you can get, even in listening also, IELTS listening, you will get one word and or a number. In reading also, some questions are also like that, one word and or a number. Okay, but here it is given only one word. So let's start. So how we can do it? First important reading tip here is the words before, this is blank, words before the blank and after the blank. These are really important to get the correct answer. Okay, so here I am doing it. Okay, let's read how we will get the location of these statements. So definitely we will read it. Synesthesia is a unique neurological condition, okay, that causes different senses to get mixed. Recent research has two different senses to get mixed. So this is full stop. Recent research has suggested that teaching synesthesia to non-synesthesies can enhance. Enhance is also important word. So let's find this synesthesia and neurological and non this. Okay. One request, I will be doing it to you. Please do practice with me. Of course, after that, after finishing this video, please subscribe. Okay, and like the channel. Thank you so much in advance. And for this location, here is the location. You can see this. I can see here cognitive word. See, this cognitive word was also there. So I can see cognitive word here. So I will start reading it from here. But we were looking for this question, this one also. I will find this also. Okay, researcher word here also it is given. So let's read it. So cognitive is also there. Research, according to research conducted by this and this at the University of East London, teaching people to create graphic color associations the same way as a synesthetic may have the possibility to improve cognitive function and memory. Okay, has suggested that teaching here it is given, teaching synesthesia to known. So where is known? Turnouts, according to research, teaching people to create this associations the same way as a synesthesia okay, may have the possibility to improve cognitive memory. Okay, cognitive word, let's find this relating, something may be related. Enhance means improve, I think. Enhance is improve and blank is there. To enhance what? Cognitive function is there and memory is also there. And guard also we can find it. Guard. Possibility is guard word is here. It means, oh, guard against the cognitive decline. Same thing is there. See this. Guard against cognitive deterioration means decline. It means we are on the right track now. And is there. It means they have combined two sentences. Enhance is there to improve cognitive function. So we can write here to enhance, to improve cognitive function, and guard against cognitive. Okay. So cognitive function word is here and they have used. So first we will write memory. Okay, and guard against the deterioration of cognitive, because this is continuation of this line, cognitive function. Now full stop is there. Okay, so we have got enhance, to improve, because cognitive word is here with this blank, that's why we have selected, and is also there na. So and memory we have taken, and cognitive function we have written. Answer is in from here to here. Okay, 14th. Unfortunately, it might be a while before we come up with a beneficial way to dash to general population. Okay, let's read it furthermore. I'm looking for population also. We also, because they are talking we here. Okay, next paragraph we can go. This is a long way. Way word is here. Before we is also there. We come up, we can fully understand synesthesia and what causes once we do. However, it might be too long. It might is also there. Be while before we come up with a beneficial way to general population. Let's find population. Find out how to teach known, how to imitate its symptoms. Population word is here. So what we can write? Beneficial, come up with a beneficial way to dash. Way. We find out how means like method they are talking. How to, way two word is also there. See this, if you don't understand the sentence structure and all, doesn't matter. So before blank, two is there. So here how means like beneficial way they are talking. Two, after two it is teach. So I will write here teach to the general population. General world population means general population they are talking. So in this way we have found this these three fill in the blanks. Now next fill-ups. Complete the sentences. Complete the sentences below. Write the correct answer in boxes this and this. Choose one word only. Same instructions are there, one word. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay. So let's read the statements and then we will go to the location. The fact that there are so many private schools in England, okay, in comparison to other countries, makes the English educational system, okay, system is important word, because this word is before the blank. So let's find private schools in England. So here they are talking about system. I have found the word, and private schools they are talking. See this, there are the fact that there are so many private schools in England in comparison to other countries. Let's read it. Most countries' education systems have had what you might call educational disaster, but sadly in many areas of certain countries still evident. The English education system is unique due to the fact. Yes, same sentence structure we have got is unique due to the fact. Now how they have paraphrased the sentence, you just note it down. The fact that there are still dozens of schools which are known as private school. They are talking about English school, means England they are talking, and in comparison to other countries, makes the English educational system. Now system is here, so it means they are talking about unique system, unique. Okay, system is from here to here they are talking. They are talking here up to this sentence. In one sentence we have got everything. So how they have started the sentence, instead of starting from this, the first part of the sentence they have given in the at the end, and second part of the sentence they have started from here in question statement. Now next 20 seconds. Most students in these schools are from families. Okay, now word is families, and most students in these schools are from this. Okay, so let's continue with the next. Most countries have some private school for the children of wealthy. England is also more than average number globally. England has around 3000 private schools. No, we are looking for families word. Children while some 9 million children are educated at state schools, the overwhelming majority of students, now this is the location, most student means majority of students at private schools also come from is also here, families is also here. So what will come now? Trick has come out true. From is also there, family is also there, from is also there, families is also there. So middle class answer will come here. It's important to put this also. If you do not put, then it will be considered two words, means wrong thing will be there. So don't forget, whatever it is written in the paragraph, always write the same spelling. Now 23rd, these students seem to do better at exam, although statistics can be. Now statistic word I will look for in the next paragraph. This paragraph is done. The result is system is evident, has English history. Now I am looking for statistic. So we are doing this. I am looking for statistic word. First I will find this statistic, then 8% statistic word is here. Can such statistics such as these can be deceptive due to the fact that middle class children do better at examination. These students, middle class children means students, they seem to do better at exams, although statistic can be. Same sentence structure we have got, statistic is also there, can be is also there. So means this word will come. This deceptive. Okay, now coming to 24th. One of the advantages, okay, of the private school is that they seem to provide students with a better, more positive environment that encourages them to, okay, this is blank, and encourages them to themselves. Okay, so themselves I can see here. So if you do not have time at the end, suppose your time is going up, so themselves word is here, the word before or after the blank, you can easily find answers. But in some cases answers may be wrong, but 90% answers are correct. So I have found themselves word, and environment is also there. It means the same sentence structure may be there. Then them before themselves, apply is there. I will write here apply only. I will not be reading more. Now 25th. A lot of very well of parents, now I will be looking for parents, make huge sacrifices for their children's dash to help them respect universities. University sacrifices parents. Let's find in next paragraph. Parents, school, sacrifice is also here. Okay, let's find it. What we were looking for, 25th, just a minute. Now 25 we are doing parents is also there. There are many parents who are not wealthy, means a lot of not very well of parents. See how much synonym they have used. Very make huge sacrifices, comfortably off, but are willing to sacrifice a great deal in the cause of their children's schooling. Same word is there before blank. What is this? Children's. So children's word is here, children's schooling, we can write it here. Please note down the same spelling. Don't try to be smart that if you ignore the things and all. No, same spelling should be there. Now 26th. Unfortunately, many state school buildings, now we have to look, buildings and industrial, sometimes have the appearance of an industrial. Now I will be looking for building and industrial. In the next paragraph may be there. Building and industrial, nothing is there. Private, last paragraph. Building I can see here, buildings, and but I am looking for industrial also, because this is blank, the word before blank is important. So buildings are there. I am looking for private school, beautiful, well kept garden comparisons, castles with the worst of state schools looking like public, perhaps even tiled. Industrial word is here. I can see here. Okay, now what will be the answer? Unfortunately, many state school buildings sometimes have the appearance of an industrial shed. This way we have completed full exercise of this. Thank you.